Alright, it's starting. What? Oh, what is this? Is that snow? Is this snow? Yeah, it's snow. God, it's crazy, man. Alright, now I'm about to go up to the front door. I'm gonna show you what it look like outside, man. I'm telling you, though. Yeah. I'm telling you, like, it's horrible. I'm not even gonna go to the front door. I'm gonna look out. I'm showing you through the window, man. It's crazy. Damn dog are snoring. Alright. You think your wind's cold, son? I can't even open this thing. Alright. Horrible. You don't even know what's what. Actually, you know what? I probably can walk somewhere. Nah, probably not. Nah, for real. It's like crazy. Nah, I had to think about it for real, man. Is it even still snowing? I don't even think it's snowing, dude. It's crazy. I don't even know, man. Probably gotta open the door and show it, man. It's crazy. The sky is white. Like, yeah, the sky's supposed to be blue, right? Nah, it's white. Anyways,